For this list, we are looking at some of the most beautiful places you should consider for your next trip to Hyderabad. City of Nizams. Welcome to Footsteps Beyond, and today we are counting our picks for top 5 places to visit in Hyderabad. Number 1. Charminar. It is the most famous building as well as the Hyderabad icon. Built in 1591, when the city was founded, it is 56 meters high and 30 meters wide. Inside, there are 45 prayer rooms and a mosque, all in a magnificent Indo-Islamic architecture adorned with some Persian elements. Charminar means 4 minarets. The construction of this monument included a lot of mathematical logic and geometric combinations. How the number 4 and its multiples can be figured in the nature of Charminar is fascinating to understand. You can mark about 20 places where it is possible to witness the magic of 4. Legend says there's a secret tunnel within Charminar which connects it to Golconda Fort, but no one knows where it is. Number 2. Golconda Fort. Golconda Fort became the Qutbi Shahis fort. Qutbi Shahis are the Muslim conquerors of Persian origin. Golconda Fort is an architectural wonder dating back to the 12th century. The fortress stands on a hill, about 10 kilometers from the center of Hyderabad. The Golconda Fort used to have a vault where, along with other diamonds, the famous Koh-i-Noor once kept. It is believed that a clap at entrance can be heard at the highest point, that is Bala Hisar, which is about 1 kilometer away from entrance. This served 2 purposes. First, it served as an alarm if an intruder got in. Secondly, it often acted as a way for the royals to recognize that they had visitors. Number 3. Ramoji Film City. What to do in Hyderabad, if not immerse yourself in the Bollywood universe? Ramoji Film City is the largest film studio complex in the world. Telugu producer Ramoji Rao built Ramoji Film City in 1996. As you step inside, you'll see what behind the scenes looks like in a Bollywood movie. It is said that a filmmaker can walk in Ramoji Film City with a script and can walk out with the film. Number 4. Chau Mahalla Palace. Chau Mahalla Palace has 4 palaces: Afzal Mahal, Matab Mahal, Taniyat Mahal, and Aftab Mahal. It explains the name of the palace, Chau meaning 4 and Mahal, the palace. Chau Mahalla Palace owes its luxurious 18th century splendor to the finesse of its architecture. This place acted as the official residence of many Nizams of Hyderabad during the time they ruled the city. This palace is still in the possession of Barkat Ali Khan Mukarram Jah, who is considered to be the heir of the Nizams. Still, you can pay a nominal fee and visit this place, but keep in mind, photography isn't allowed inside the premises. Number 5. Makkah Masjid. Makkah Masjid was named after the bricks making up its central arch brought from Makkah. Makkah Masjid construction started in 1694, and it lasted more than 80 years. The Qutbi Shahis rulers never completed its construction. The Mughal Emperor, Aurangzeb, finished it. Today, Makkah Masjid is considered one of the oldest mosques in India. As per a legend, whoever sits on the slab benches beside the pond always comes back to sit on them again. Do you like this video? Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.